In the latest development of the Moscow-Kyiv crisis, Ukraine's ambassador to Japan, Sergei Kerensky, stated on Friday that the war-torn nation would be able to better safeguard its skies from hostile forces as it to obtain supermodern military equipment from the United States and the United Kingdom. According to Sky News, Kerensky said during a press conference, "They still have superiority in the Air Force, and we expect to begin to receive supermodern equipment from the United States and Britain to protect our skies and our cities." The Ukrainian envoy went on to say that they could not reach the launch site and the Russian military forces shot cruise missiles from considerable distance. As a result of this, Ukrainians request cutting-edge equipment, he added. Further, Kerensky asserted, "We had to intercept them." Apart from this, Kerensky did not disclose any other information on their military equipment. Australia to offer armored Bushmaster vehicle to Ukraine. This statement came on the heels of Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison's announcement on April 1st, stating that this country would send armored Bushmaster vehicle to Ukraine. Morrison noted that the four-wheel drive armored vehicle will be transported by Boeing C-17 Globemaster transport aircraft, although he did not indicate how many would be delivered, according to Sky News. In addition to this, United Kingdom Prime Minister had announced to unveil the significant new package for aid for Ukraine, while also asking the international community to stand up against the injustice. As per media reports, UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson has pledged during the NATO and G7 leaders' talks in Brussels to provide 6,000 additional defensive missiles and £25 million in economic support for Ukraine military troops. As per an official press statement from the PM office, this initiative will be more than double the quantity of the lethal weapon defense systems provided to far and will be in addition to £400 million in humanitarian and economic aid that the UK have previously given the country. The US Defense Department on Friday announced it will fulfill a virtual wish list for Ukraine's forces battling Russian invasion. Promised goods worth an estimate of $300 million in additional assistance to Ukraine include laser-guided rocket system, previously announced armored drones as well as Puma and counter unmanned drones, armored off-road vehicles, ammunition, machine guns, night vision devices, and more, the department stated in their statement. The hardware will boost the US security commitment to the Ukraine to a value of $2.3 billion since the beginning of President Joe Biden's administration. According to the Congressional Research Service, the USAI package has including training, equipment, and advisory efforts to enhance Ukraine's defensive capabilities. The gear and munitions are procured directly from the defense industry. According to the Defense Department of US, the government will not include equipment that is drawn down from the Defense Department stocks.
Tesla was founded in 2003 by a group of engineers who introduced the concept of electric vehicles to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy in which electrical vehicles can be better and quicker to drive in comparison to gasoline cars. This concept is brought to reality by the production of electrical vehicles, infinitely scalable clean energy generation, and storage products. Tesla has this firm belief to seize the use of fossil fuels and move on towards a zero-emission future. Tesla's vision is to create the most compelling mass-market electric car company of the 21st century. Elon Musk is an early investor and CEO of Tesla and major shareholder, 21.7% of stocks. Larry Ellison, co-founder and CEO of Oracle, is another major shareholder individual with about 1.7% stake. Keeping in view of what Tesla's vision means, we need to look at Tesla's history and how it developed. Just as Elon Musk took over the position of CEO, he formed a strategy of an introductory price competitive with cars in the market, for which reason the first car Tesla launched was a sports car, keeping a price in line with the market. He stated back in 2013 how this strategy was their best chance of being competitive with its gasoline alternatives. Therefore, as an entry strategy in the market, Tesla used a price segment higher in the market, which is seemingly in sharp contrast with its mission. Yet, his focus was a transitional business model that enabled Tesla to be the Bible in the short term, yet achieve its aiming target in the long run. Moreover, in order to become fully viable, they needed to create an entire ecosystem, also made of energy solutions that would enable electric cars to become competitive in terms of convenience in respect to gasoline vehicles, while rolling out its business model. By enabling this ecosystem to grow year over year, where the country can enter larger segments of the market by offering lower priced options, enabling them to achieve mass adoption. Competitors. Among the majority of traditional car makers, Tesla has several competitors, namely Ford and Honda, the multinational automobile manufacturer. While Tesla has managed success by centering its attention on high status and premium electric vehicles, EVs, now entering these higher-end electric and self-driving car industries, these remain greater competition. But when it comes to luxury electric vehicles, or EVs, Tesla owns the top spots by providing services like selling its battery technology to other automotive companies and drives them towards these goals of sustainability as well. Two primary revenue segments of Tesla include automotive sales and development services, where automotive accounts for a greater share of the revenue. Tesla's major competitors are traditional automobile companies. Traditional car companies such as Chevy Volt and Nissan Leaf are increasing their supplies of hybrid gasoline and electric vehicles, as well as pure electric vehicles. But when compared to Tesla, attains a certain high-status cash that has yet been reproduced by incumbent automakers. But this is quickly changing. Tesla may have been a beginning point of a revolution because more car companies are getting involved with developing and producing electric cars. Regardless, when it comes to high-end EVs, Tesla rules. US News ranked the following top 5 luxury electric vehicles, where Tesla cars took the first and second spots with Tesla Model S and Tesla Model 3, followed in order by Porsche Taycan, Lexus ES Hybrid, and BMW i3. Tesla is worth nearly $304.6 billion while attaining the status of the world's most valuable car manufacturer despite selling a small number of cars, as opposed to Toyota and Mercedes-Benz. Where Tesla markets and sells its car through its network of retail stores located in North America, Europe, and Asia. In 2019, for a full fiscal year, a reported gross revenue of $24.58 billion has been reported by the company. As of August 8, 2020, Tesla has a market capitalization of $270.73 billion. No payment of a dividend, remaining non-profitable despite its high demand for electric cars and rapid expansion. Investing heavily in the infrastructure with the construction of its new Gigafactory in Reno, Nevada, among other initiatives. Given that Tesla has never made an annual profit in the almost 15 years since it existed, profit is not what motivates us, Elon Musk wrote in 2018. Now in 2020, Tesla has expanded its production in China and captured a huge market share in EV car sales and production with Chinese Gigafactory. Now it has stretched its hand in Europe with Giga Berlin in Germany and planning to start a factory in India too. On June 29, 2010, Elon Musk and the Tesla team laid out the opening buzz at the Nasdaq exchange. It was Tesla's long-awaited IPO. Tesla went public and the result of the IPO was vivid by the end of the day. Tesla's stock in its debut soared 41%, while by making it public, the company put forth its vision of a green revolution of reality and raised a whopping $266 million. The next big leap began after the 2010 IPO, where Tesla had just narrowly escaped bankruptcy by borrowing. Freed from feud and lawsuit with co-founder Martin Eberhard, Tesla Roadster and its attempt to reduce stigma around EVs, and undertaking its famous factory in Fremont, California, and was now time to move on to next strategy involving selling an expensive, low-volume sports car. Use that money to build an affordable car, followed by a car for the masses, target other consumer segments, semi-truck segments, integrate energy generation and storage at home, and shared autonomous vehicles. In 2011, after production of a car from scratch, Tesla discontinued the Roadster, focusing on EVs with a market cap of $3.1 billion, while the problem of lithium-ion expensive batteries still exists. In 2012, new cars Tesla S and X were introduced, earning a market cap of $4.3 billion. Following year, Gigafactory came in to solve the issue of lithium-ion battery costs, partnered with Panasonic, with a market cap of $22.4 billion. In 2014, Tesla made significant advances in hardware and software to introduce the Autopilot Excellence with a $25.6 billion market cap. After Model X in 2016, a successful Model Tesla 3 had a whopping 500,000 pre-orders, out of which the company was able to produce that of 200,000. While Tesla announced to take over another of Elon Musk's companies, Solar City, and integrate both solar panels and car, which earns them a market cap of $40.9 billion. This solar power is introduced in semi-trucks, which in return the Tesla accepts orders for its solar roof panels. A greater victory when Tesla wins bid for provision of grid-scale battery power in South Australia and Puerto Rico, followed by introduction of a second-generation version of the Roadster with unbelievable specifications, earning a market cap of $52.3 billion in 2017. A comparison between the IPO of Ford, $49.9 billion back in 1956, and that of Tesla, $52.3 billion in 2017, clearly indicates that Tesla surpassed by an incredible feat in only a span of 7 years in a public market, an immense rise in the marketplace. Elon Musk's perspectives are revolutionary, with greater upcoming plans to introduce auto-reinventing machines and to perfect these machine-building machines. Where Tesla made over $24.5 billion in revenues and lost $69 million from operations, while its net losses were $862 million. In 2019, Tesla turned a profit for the first time, where its main market is in the US. Tesla's goal is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, but making a few electric cars isn't enough to cater to change. Therefore, Tesla plans big. The strategic values Tesla upholds may contribute to the rise of the next trillion-dollar company, provided the need for new sustainable energy resources taking the lead. So what do you think? Will Tesla become the next trillion-dollar company, as it is expanding in China, Germany, and India?